Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Okay, that's kind of so you can explore that part, the calendar control, and also like here you'll get more of this. So this is account, like where you should be able to select an account. I don't know why it's not getting this one. Okay, this is a licensing issue. Okay, anyway, forget about this accounts. Okay. The rest of the fields are pretty much the text fields or the list box. Like you don't get any problem to create a script for that. Only thing is, this is the calendar control. Here also, like you can enter the data like this, say 05, say 28, 12. That works fine without any problem. You can directly record the script. But when it comes to select a date from this calendar control, that's the tricky part. Okay. This is basically like it's a web table. So you just try to explore yourself, and then it's not, I can explain. Okay. So that is one script that you can create, and also the cases and everything. I don't see much complexity here. Yeah. Even here also, like you will get once you click on this method button, you will get. It's supposed to display all these things, but don't worry about these things because you are using the open source version. And another thing is, okay, this is also very interesting thing. So, okay, if you go to, say, we created different accounts, right? And then, say you want to go to the find accounts, okay? And then, say, if you select, say, okay, let's select what are the accounts that is created here. See, it's going to show you different tabs, right? So how the application will show how to recognize your account is displayed in this list or not, right? So that is also the other way. You can develop a script. Basically, you need to identify in this particular tab the most recent accounts that is created. So you are going to look at and try to identify the account what you created is displayed on this page or not. Okay, these are the different accounts that are created. So there is also the other script what you can generate. Okay, so this is the scenarios. Yeah, I think that you open scenarios. And also like the other scenario is mainly to look at the broken links, right? So that's a very good example on this web application to check on any broken links on the page. So you know how to do that, right? That's a very important check for okay. Yeah, sometimes like the text is hanging. So I'm talking about broken links, right? So you know how to create a checkpoint for that, right? That's pretty much simple part. So you know how to create how to verify the broken links on the web application. That's the page checkpoint. You know how to do that?
Can you explain it one more time? You did explain it, but if you give a short review, then based on that, I'll work on that and let you know tomorrow if it works.
Yeah, that's correct. That's what when you look at, that's where actual automation is very useful, particularly to check these broken links. You see like how many links are there on this particular page. Manually you want to see whether all these links are working or not. That's like a navigation test case, right? That's a very tedious part in case of manual testing. Whereas you can do that using automation. So how you can do that is, for example, if you go to say my home page, and then it displays all these accounts and everything, right? So these are all the different links, number of links. So you want to make sure all these links are working or not. So what you can do is, you just develop a new, say for example, new test. And then there is one checkpoint. So first I go to view and select options, and then go to the advanced web options. And here you see there is a checkpoint. Yeah, here. So create is the best page checkpoint. Create a checkpoint for each web page while you are recording. So check this. And there is one checkbox called broken links. So if you do this, then say apply and OK. So whatever the script that you record or whatever the script you develop, so it's going to insert the page checkpoint automatically. So for example, on this particular page, if I want to see whether all these links working or not, all you have to do is just simply say if you record, and then you just click on anywhere on this page, say something, say create lead or something. Then it automatically insert a checkpoint. Click it here. You see the first line? Just you do certain action on that particular page, that's it. So this is the checkpoint that automatically inserts. This is the page checkpoint. And then whenever you run the script, so that it's going to verify are there any broken links on this page. Click OK. So that it's going to take a while because it has to verify all the links. Okay. So it's done. Now if you go back and look at the results, then it's going to explain whether all these links are working properly or any broken links. It seems like there are some things not working. See that wherever you see this cross check mark, this particular thing is failed. And then it's going to explain, okay, how many things it verified, and it includes the images also, right? So it basically says this is the number of images. So it verified 15, and then it seems like 7 things are not working, and also the number of links. So it verified 70, maybe 37 are not working. So even if you go back and if you drill down further down, then it's going to explain what are the things that are not working. You see, these are the things. Okay, so it says like this photo link doesn't exist or something is not working. So it's going to explain all the stuff. So this is login key. Is this the link? Yeah. Even if you want to cross check, what is this? Just copy and then open your browser, then paste it here. So this is something different page. This is what expected. Oh, okay. So here the problem is, it is expecting something because that link is going to change dynamically. See, so because this page, why it changes is depends on because it has the latest news, right? So this content keep changes. So that's what actually this link also keep changes because that's the dynamic stuff. That kind of errors that way just you can neglect. That's why just you are going to look at the results and then see whether it's really a genuine issue with the application. Okay, just you're going to copy paste that message link wherever it says failed and then see whether you're getting that page displayed or not. If the link broken means it's going to display what error message. If something like that link is not working, what's the message you get on the web page? 404, right? So they're getting the 404 message. Then really that link, the link is broken. Okay, so this is just like the page checkpoint where you can insert and the tools options, go to advanced, and then here create a checkpoint and then check these local links. Okay. That's the one. Well, okay, from web testing perspective, that is one thing, the page checkpoints, and also you can develop more of these scripts. And then what are the typical scenarios? What is the use for this? Which one you are talking? Because you have to verify like whether all these links are working or not. If something like the link is broke, that means there is an issue in the application. You're going to check. Now, once you select that broken links, so it automatically creates a checkpoint. Okay, whenever you record any script on any page, by default it's going to insert the first line, the page checkpoint. Okay, and also like here I want to share some information. So for each page, do I need to check all links working properly or not? Yeah, just you have to check. That's basically like navigation, right? Like what happens if the user is trying to click on this say request catalog, and if this link is not working, it gives one for error, then that is not good, right? That's a serious issue in the application. Particularly on the web applications, all the links should work before you release, before you give it to the customer. If the some of the links are broke, then the customer is not happy, right? So you need to check. Those are basically considered the okay. So yeah, what I'm supposed to do. Yeah. So I want to share some of the QTP knowledge here. See, basically, even once you start working on the real-time project, so what I suggest is you just explore these things. Under programs file, HP, and then there is a test professional. Okay. Under this, there is a code samples plus. Yeah. Okay, code samples plus. This is where there are some function libraries that is already written. So you can use these function libraries. Suppose you want to send an email, right? So there is a function library, right? So how to send the test results? Okay, whenever you are done with your script execution, you want to send the results. Like your script once has to send the results automatically to everybody, right? Then you can also see if you open these are the different function libraries. Okay, so there are different things. One is sending an email, and this is a file system object. So if you open this, so because these are all the view script files, if you right click on this, don't select open. If you say open, then it's going to execute. You always say edit. And then you should be able to open that particular file, and then this is a file system object, like how you can create different folders, different files. There are different functions within. You can directly use these functions in your project. Okay, and also there is another function like the email, right? Sending an email. So if you open this, let me open different one. Okay, so this is another function, like how to send an email using program. So there are two functions written. The first function is, okay, the first function is useful when you are using the inbox, Outlook, right? Particularly like when you join a company, you will be given Outlook and you have your own account and all that stuff, right? So if you want to send any emails using your Outlook, then you can use this function. If you are using, say, Gmail, then you can use this function. This is the function that is useful to send any email using the other accounts like Gmail or Yahoo Mail and anything. Okay. See, pretty much like the usage is simple. So all you have to do is just copy this function, right? So let's create a new test. So this is the function, say, because right now I'm going to use Gmail. Okay. So this is the function, and how you use this function basically, you can say once you copy paste the function in your QTP editor, then all you have to do is how to use this function is pass the values. Say send from. So that means from which mail ID you want to send the results, right? Okay, it's h2kinfosys.com. That is send from mail ID. And then, so to whom you want to send? Okay, I want to send myself. Oh, I have to say at gmail.com.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.